What if the moon disappeared tomorrow? Imagine waking up one morning and the moon is simply gone. Not shattered, not exploded, not dimmed. Vanished. One night it was hanging over Earth like it has for billions of years, and the next the sky is empty. The first reaction would be confusion. Telescopes scan the sky. Space agencies panic. Social media explodes, but very quickly the shock turns into something far worse. Earth begins to change immediately. The moon has been our silent guardian. Its gravity stabilizes Earth's tilt, controls the tides, and shapes entire ecosystems. Removing it is like removing a wheel from a speeding car. Everything swerves. The oceans feel it first. Within hours, coastlines around the world undergo a transformation not seen in all of human history. Without the moon's gravitational pull, the tides collapse. High tide becomes low tide everywhere. Beaches stretch out for kilometers, harbors dry. Ships tilt sideways on sand where water should be. Entire coastal ecosystems, crabs, corals, fish nurseries, begin dying almost instantly. But then comes the opposite problem. Solar gravity still affects water, but in a chaotic, weaker pattern. Mini-tides form unpredictably. Some coasts receive sudden surges of water, while others experience violent micro-tsunamis with no rhythm, no pattern, no warning. Next comes the night sky. Without the moon, nights become radically darker. Animals that rely on moonlight, wolves, sea turtles, migratory birds, lose their natural signals. Predators hunt less effectively. Prey can't find safety. Entire species' behaviors collapse overnight. Humans feel it too. Sleep cycles disrupt, depression rates rise, and ancient biological rhythms break. But the real danger begins after a few weeks. The moon doesn't just light the night. It stabilizes Earth's 23.5-degree tilt. Without it, that tilt begins to wobble. Slowly at first, then faster. Seasons become unstable. Summers grow hotter, winters grow harsher. Some years, parts of the world barely see winter at all. Other years, ice sheets extend farther than ever. Crops begin to fail. Climate becomes unpredictable. Storm systems intensify too. The moon helps regulate Earth's rotation slightly. With it gone, the planet's spin becomes more irregular over time. Wind belts shift. Jet streams contort in strange directions. Hurricanes begin appearing in places they were never meant to form. Rainforest regions experience drought. Deserts receive sudden floods. And then, after months, the consequences become catastrophic. Earth's tilt begins wandering more dramatically, eventually shifting by degrees. Some regions move into permanent summer. Others sink into near-permanent winter. The Arctic melts, then refreezes in unstable cycles. Sea levels rise and fall unpredictably. The entire climate system becomes something unrecognizable. Wild, unstable, and hostile. Civilization strains under the pressure. Agriculture breaks. Food shortages spread. Power grids collapse under extreme temperature swings. Nations fight for resources. Global trade slows. Humanity finds itself in survival mode. Scientists search desperately for solutions. Artificial satellites to mimic lunar gravity. Megastructures to stabilize Earth's tilt. Plans to redirect captured asteroids into lunar orbit. But every solution takes decades, and humanity only has a few years before the planet becomes nearly uninhabitable. Yet, despite all the chaos, one lesson becomes clear. The moon wasn't just a light in the night sky. It was the anchor of Earth's balance, the unseen engine behind life, climate, stability, and survival. Without it, Earth becomes a spinning, unpredictable world with a future impossible to predict. And all it takes is one missing moon.